So let's say I have a multiple ticket IDs which are mentioned in the same cell, but those are split or segmented by the next line. As a result, I need a status of all these ticket IDs based on this particular table. Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Doors. My name is Vishal, and in today's video, I will show you how to get a status of all these ticket IDs which are mentioned in the same cell. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to Excel Doors. Now let's move to the solution. First thing is we have to split all these ticket IDs into the next cell. For that, what we have to do is we have to simply use a function called split. For the text, I will select this particular cell. Then we have to use another function which is a character. And here we have to mention 10 because multiple ticket IDs are split by the next line. So that's the reason we are using here the 10. Now simply press the enter button. Now you can see all these ticket IDs are split into the next cell. Now we can drop this formula here also. The next thing is we need all these ticket IDs in the one column. For that, what we have to do is we have to use another function which is a two column. For the array or the range, we can select all these range. Even if I select the blank cells, we can ignore the blank cell while using a comma 1 and close the bracket. Now you can see we are getting all the ticket IDs in the one column, even we have selected the blank cell. Now to get the status of all these ticket IDs in the one go, we can use here the function called array formula. Then we have to give our main formula which is a VLOOKUP. Search key is we can select all these ticket IDs in the one go. And the range, for the range I will select this table where we have mentioned all the ticket IDs with the status. Then the index is 2, 0 and simply close the bracket. Now you can see in the one go we are getting the status of all these ticket IDs. If you see here, we are getting the hash NA error because this particular ticket ID is not found in this particular table. To ignore the hash NA error, we can use here the another function which is a if error. If error found, then it should show as a blank. For the blank, we have to simply type here comma blank and then close the bracket. Now you can see we are getting the status of all these ticket IDs in the one go. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Doors. Thank you so much for watching.